Yeah, so let's log in as a volunteer. So he asked me to the sign in here. Yeah, go to melodywings.org, continue. Yes. Okay. So here, let's start by showing how a volunteer updates their weekly schedule in the application. So here, as a volunteer, they can update the schedule here. They can add their available time slots for each day of the week. Once saved, the availability is visible to the learners. For example, here there are times that has been already added. I can add a time slot on Tuesday like 7 p.m. to let's say 9 p.m. kind of. So here I'm just saving the changes. So in this calendar view, the volunteer will get the events of like upcoming events or past events. Everything will be displayed here. So let's see how a learner can request a session based on the volunteer's availability. So on the other tab, I'll enroll as a learner, right? So I'm just enrolling as a learner. So here it asking me to it asking me the calendar permissions to create a meeting events with in the calendar. So I'm just continuing. Yeah. So here I'm just adding a new meeting. You can enter a title as guitar class session, and I'm just selecting a volunteer as Ruben A. And you can select a date. Let's say let's select 27. So it will actually fetch the slots. So I am selecting 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and just adding the description like test. So I'm just saving here. So it will create a event here. So January 27. So when I go back to the uh, volunteer profile, and here I'm just refreshing the application. So once the session request is being submitted, the volunteer receive a notification. Let's see how they manage this request. The volunteer can review the request detail and either accept or reject it. In this case, the volunteer accept the request. Here you can see here there is a request like guitar class session 27th Jan 2025 and the time is there 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Here when they accept the session, yeah, let it accepting the session. Yeah, I'm closing this. Here when you refresh this page, as you can see yeah, as you can see there is a session created here with the meet with the Google Meet. Here the crucial part, once the volunteer accepts the request, a Google Meet link is generated and shared via calendar invites to both the volunteer and the learner. So here when I go to calendar.google.com, let's go to January 27. Yeah, I think this is because this event haven't updated in the calendar. But as you can see, there is a previous event like 8 a.m. guitar, and there are two learner involved. A volunteer has been invited to this event, right? So here, uh, in summary, the app enables to manage their availability and accept session requests from learners. Upon acceptance, a Google Meet calendar event is automatically created using the authorized Gmail calendar API. We ensure that all user data is securely managed and comply with Google's policies regarding user consent and data privacy. Yeah, so we have attached the privacy policy link and other required thing for the verification. Please go through that. Thank you for watching our demonstration video. We hope this clarifies the use case of our application and how it integrates with the Google Calendar API to provide seamless scheduling for volunteers and learners. Thank you.